and welcome to Driver's End Zone. I'm Kara here with Jeremy, our Shield Driving School instructor.
Great to be here, Kara. How are you?
I'm good. So we have a lot of great instructional videos here on our channel, so if you want more of that, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button below. Now today we're going to be talking about something that I personally struggle with, and I know many others do as well, parallel parking.
Parallel parking is easily the biggest question that we get here at Shield Driving School. We teach this in 5 very simple steps. I'm going to teach you a very simple way to get into that parking space here, and we're going to get in first try.
Okay.
You ready to do it?
Yep, let's do it.
Let's go. Alright, Kara, you ready to do a little bit of parallel parking here?
I'm ready? Okay.
First thing you have to decide is, can my car actually fit in that space, alright? So you pull up, you see
See that it's gonna fit in that space. Okay, now we're gonna teach you how to get into that space.
5 very simple steps. We're going to walk you through them step by step
And get you in that space first try.
The first one
Is your setup. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make
our approach. We want to pull up to the second set of barrels up there.
and get those burrs for a rear bumper.
But first thing you have to do, turn signal, right? You want to indicate your intentions. You want to take that parking space. You got to put your turn signal on. So when we start, right turn signal. And then you make your approach nice and slow. You want to be about 3 feet away from those barrels.
Here.
And nice and slow approach.
Turn and lock.
Alright, so you put the car in reverse. And steps 2, 3, and 4 are very simple. Right, straight, left. Turn the wheel the entire way to the right until it doesn't go any farther. Right? Nice and slow. You're going to start to back in the space. Now what you're looking for is the back curb side barrel. You're going to start to reverse.
Keep it on your driver's side mirror.
And you're going to see the first barrel, second barrel, third barrel. And as soon as you see the entire third barrel,
Stop. And steer straight.
1 complete turn of the steering wheel
Until it's looking at you just like that.
nice and slow, deeper into the space. Your next barrel is
The one right here beside you.
you want to take that first barrel there and just see half it. Take the top 6-8 inches and stop when you see that in your windshield.
Next, you're gonna turn left
The whole way,
Turn the wheel until it stops.
nice and slow, and put you right beside the curb. Now, as you're backing in, you want to keep an eye on your passenger side mirror. Watch the curb over there. You also want to watch your rear view mirror for the barrels behind you. You don't want to hit them, right? That's one of the rules. Put the car in drive. Straight your wheel out. And just pull forward maybe a foot or so. When you're done, put the car in park. And it's just that simple.
Well, here we are.
Here we are. So,
You're not done yet. You gotta get out, right?
you want to pull out into traffic. So, first thing you have to remember is, again, you want to indicate that intention.
Left.
Turn signal to get out of this parking space. And then you always want to go reverse first. You don't want to hit the car in front of you. So back up just a foot or so. Put it in drive. Make sure you turn and look, right? There's traffic out there potentially. Turn and look. And then it's a hard left turn to get out of that parking space. So you ready to try this? So, the car in drive. Nice and easy move forward. Get those barrels to your rear bumper. Again, you want to be about 3 feet away. But nice and slow. Again, there's no trick to this. You just have to turn and look. See where those barrels are. And get them to your rear bumper. Alright, excellent. Put the car in reverse. That's 2, 3, and 4. Right, straight, left. So take that steering wheel, turn it the whole way to the right. Alright. Keep an eye on that driver's side mirror. You're going to see the first barrel appear, then the second. And as soon as you see the entire third, stop. Alright, straight. 1 complete turn. And you gotta go deeper into the space. And watch this barrel right here beside you. As you go deeper into the space, you're gonna cut that barrel right in half and put half of it in your windshield.
There. Okay.
Turn the wheel left. Take it the whole way and bring the nose of the car in. And just watch your mirror. It's gonna put you right alongside that curb. And watch your rear view mirror. Make sure you don't hit the guys behind you there. Okay, straighten the wheel out, put it in drive, and just move forward a foot or so. Put it in park. It is just that simple. Right, straight, left, and now you just
Parallel parks. I do.
How easy was that?
That was easy.
There you go.
Much less stressful than I thought.
Exactly. So step number 5 again is getting out of the space. So don't forget, use your left turn signal. Put it reverse. Back up just a little bit. And then steer out. Don't forget to check your traffic. Make sure that it's clear. And you
Just parallel park. Well, that was way easier than I thought. Now I don't have to waste all my time driving around looking for a new spot.
Exactly. Don't be intimidated by parallel parking. It really is just this simple. We teach you a very, very simple method. And it's those little things we teach that make things so much easier.
Great. Well, thank you, Jeremy, for that. And for those of you at home, if you want to learn the step-by-step instructions Jeremy taught me, we have a link of those in the description below, and you can print those out to help you parallel park. If you like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe below, and thanks for watching.